Mrs. Magdad and I have had a little bit of luck at the yard sales recently. Mrs. Magdad found this bread machine for $20. She makes all of our family's bread, rolls, and pizza dough, so she actually wears these machines out. This is the second one we found this year, so she should be set for a while. Mrs. Magdad also found some more puzzles. This one was a quarter, 1,000 piece. This one was $1, also 1,000 piece. And this one was $1. I think it's also 1,000 piece. Kind of like this one. A lady was selling flannel shirts for $1 a piece. These are labeled 2XL. And I don't identify as a 2XL, but I tried them on and they fit. I was pretty excited when I spotted this at a sale for $2. This figure is from the Batman animated series, probably my favorite version of the Dark Knight, animated or live action. Wait till you see the best part. I found these items in a dollar bin. The screwdrivers are marked Bridgeport. And they're also marked Bell System. I couldn't leave a pistol grip saw behind. This is an all-way. I grabbed this Stanley utility knife just to make it an even $5. This level is a Stanley number 237, and it's got the Sweetheart trademark. The SW in the heart was a memorial to longtime Stanley Works president William Hart. This trademark was used from 1920 to 1935. They called these eclipse covers. I was a little bummed that the level vial was missing. I paid $5 for the Stanley block plane. The homeowner threw in this stack of paper for free. Am I the last guy in the world that still writes on paper? I found a part number on it. G12020. And on the blade, it's marked Made in England. And this plane's got the fancy adjustable mouth feature. I got these folding Stanley wooden rulers for $1 a piece. This one's marked number 68. And this one's marked number 27. But they're identical. They both fold out to 24 inches. I found these Utica pliers at the same house, also for $1. I think the markings and the plain handles date them to after World War II. I spotted these at another house in the $2 bin. Forged Steel Products was founded in 1920 in Newark, New Jersey. The 1921 patent date was for the suction cup vacuum grip pattern on the handles. By the end of the 1920s, Forged Steel Products had worked out an agreement with Snap-on Tools, and the vacuum grip began appearing on Snap-on and Blue Point pliers. I have a small collection of these cast file handles. I don't know, I just think they're cool. Speaking of collections, I seem to be accumulating these Ford wrenches. This is the one I found most recently. Okay, the last two items are both Stanley. Stanley took over North Brothers right after World War II. And this is a classic North Brothers number 90. Stanley rebranded it, I guess, 2590. The North Brothers number 90s have a black painted handle. This is like a really dark blue. Check out the damage on the shaft and on the tip. I wonder if this was used to jump a Ford style starter solenoid. And this is a nice example of Adam Savage's favorite screwdriver, the Stanley Workmaster. This is a 66801. It's a bit driver. And it looks like it came with 3, 6, 9 bits. So which item was your favorite? I was pretty excited when I spotted that Batman laying on the tarp in the driveway. You never know what you'll find at the next sale. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So I started out collecting die-cast Batmobiles, and then it sort of snowballed.